Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into managing admin roles in Monday.com for 2025. Managing these roles effectively is crucial as it optimizes your team's workflow and ensures the right people have access to the right information. Our first step is to navigate to the admin section. You'll find this in the left sidebar of your dashboard. This area is the control center for all your admin settings, so it's crucial to familiarize yourself with it. Now that we're in the Admin section, let's move on to the next step. Click on the Users tab. This is where you'll see all the users in your Monday.com account and their respective roles. Understanding who has what role is key to organizing your team and maintaining security. Next up, we're going to add or edit an admin role. Click on the three-dot icon next to the user's name and select Change Role. A drop-down will appear with different roles. Choose Admin. The reason we do this is to assign or modify admin roles. This helps us manage who has full access to all main features and settings. Now let's say you want to change a user's role or remove them from the admin role. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you change a user's role, you're altering their access level. This could mean limiting what they can see or edit. To change a user's role, simply follow the same steps, but select a different role from the drop-down menu. If you want to remove them from the admin role, select Member or Viewer. This helps us because it ensures only the correct individuals have admin access, keeping your workspace secure and efficient. Lastly, always remember to click Save Changes once you've finished modifying roles. This is crucial as it ensures all your changes are implemented. And that's it. You now know how to manage admin roles in Monday.com. This process is essential in ensuring your team operates smoothly and securely. So go ahead, give it a try, and optimize your Monday.com experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.